my name is Layy and welcome to my channel, How to Mommy. This is my first ever Watson's haul video and I will show you everything I bought, mostly summer essentials or mga things na kailangan natin this summer. Just a really quick video about anong mga nabili ko. Okay, so first is this Beach Hut sunscreen. Beach Hut Clear Spray Sunscreen. 100 plus SPF, o diba? I like this kasi, especially my husband, ayaw niya sa mga malalagkit na sunscreen na, especially sa face. So, he doesn't like yung parang lotion na ginaganon. He likes this better. It's just a spray. And then, because may baby na kami, saan ba yun? We also bought for him Beach Hut Kids Max. 100 plus SPF din. So, we haven't tried this, but we'll let you know if na-try naman and how it's gonna be. Maybe we're not gonna put sa face niya because pero it says hypoallergenic. Pero my baby kasi has sensitive skin, so we'll see. Next is Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. We really use this for our baby since he was born. Nakatry na din kami ng ibang mga soap for baby, pero we always go back to this because of Hispedia. Hispedia recommends this. And we're also we're also using a different type of Cetaphil ngayon, pero I still bought this because I also use this for my face. It's also my facial cleanser. And then this one, oh my god, I was so excited to buy this. Since kasi bago ko lang na-discover si Ray Hermar. And hi Ray Hermar, you maybe buy this. This is my Ray Hermar maybe buy it moment. The Face Republic Super Sunscreen Sun Gel SPF 50. So hindi kasi ako nagsa-sunscreen kasi tamad ako and I don't know what's good. So ngayon, I look for sunscreen recommendations na hindi malagkit, na hindi masyadong, icky sa face and something that's lightweight or something like that. And this is what she recommended. Nabili lang niya to sa Watson's because of the packaging. Nagustuhan niya. As in other videos, she talked about it talaga. So it must be legit good. So binili ko to because of her. Thank you, Ray Hermar. I hope I'm gonna like it then. And then, well, I also tried na lang din the tinted sunscreen because in my video about yung nagme-makeup ako sa car, tapos diba moisturizer lang nilagay ko. I know that I really need sunscreen. It's really a good investment to put sunscreen every day kahit hindi maaraw because you're supposed to take care of your skin always, all the time. So, I bought na lang din the Bello Sun Expert tinted sunscreen. This is my Chris Uy made me buy it moment because she's the one who actually a lot of vloggers and beauty bloggers recommended this na dati. And then ngayon ko pa lang siya na because nandun ako sa Watson's so ngayon ko pa lang siya nabili and I hope I'm gonna like it. We'll see. It's just a small packaging kasi I'm gonna try it lang. If siguro gusto kong, mag-cover ng blemishes or something, then I'm gonna use this. And then if I want my face to be clear lang, then I'll use the Face Republic one. And then I bought this Watson's Gel Hand Soap. This is my favorite talaga, tea tree and witch hazel scented because I love the smell. Meron bang mga Watson's na hand soap na ayoko sa smell? This one I really love the smell and it's buy one take one. I'm just gonna put the price somewhere here para malaman nyo. Basta buy one take one siya. Tapos yung take one ko is the same pa rin na Saan ba yun? Yun. Just the same pa rin. Tea tree and witch hazel scented. Because it's my favorite talaga na scent. My hands feel so clean and smell so clean afterwards. Hindi naman ito masyadong madami. Actually, malapit na tayong matapos. Vaseline Lip Therapy for soft pink lips. I haven't never tried this but I've seen so many friends na ito talaga yung nila, yung pang lips nila. Ako yung lang, ordinary petroleum jelly. Oh my god. Pero ito na, nakita ko na siya, nahanap ko na siya and I think it's better. It's cuter din. So, nabili ko dahil sa friends ko and because of the packaging. Next is wipes. Actually, naghanap kami ng Sanicare because for me, sometimes I like Sanicare. But for the baby, I really use Giggles. I know there are a lot of other baby brands, better baby brands, more expensive baby brands. But for us, Giggles talaga kami since birth because it's softer, it's more, hindi siya napupunit, and it's cheap. Wala din siyang scent, wala siyang alcohol, wala siyang paraben, diba? For sensitive skin. So far din naman, walang irritation si Cairo when it comes to baby wipes. And we use it on his face, on his hands, on his when we change diapers, we use it na lang din for ourselves. But for me, sometimes I like Sanicare, and then for Kayo is always Giggles. So I bought this na lang din in Watson's. Nakita ko kasi. And then, Nizoral. Summer na guys, so nagkaka-dandruff ako if my hair or my scalp is very dry. Depende din sa shampoo and depende din sa mga nangyayari sa life ko. But usually, if nakabili ako sa araw, my scalp really gets dry and nagda-dandruff ako. And I don't know the reason. Sometimes, it just takes a change in shampoo. Pero sometimes, I really need Nizoral. So, I just bought na lang din a little sachet. I keep it lang in the bathroom for in case makata talaga or madami yung dandruff ko. Next is Distress Hair Solutions. So funny because I don't really need to tame my hair a lot of times. Like on a daily basis, I don't do it. Pero lately kasi na-notice ko na yung hair ko is buhaghag. So naghanap na lang ako ng parang mga hair cuticle coat, ganun. And then naghanap ako sa Vitras, yun lang yung trusted brand ko. Or wala kasi ako masyadong na-try dati. And then nakita ko sa Solen sa packaging, so binili ko na lang. So this is my Solen made me buy it moment. Ang dami kong nabili sa Watson's because of the endorser. So thank you Solen. I hope mabungo naman siya. Okay naman siya. Next is Berocca in 15s. I love Berocca. I've talked about Berocca a lot of times, especially sa mga weight loss videos ko because it keeps me energized and boosts my immune system. So I usually buy in the pharmacy, and kanina nandun ako sa Watson's, so binili ko na lang. Yes, love. And then the last na pala is this Dove shampoo. I've been using Dove. Yung last 2 bottles ko is Dove. Iba-iba yung variants kasi bago lang ako nag-switch to Dove eh. And I don't really know what's for me, pero tinatry ko na lang lahat. And then right now, hindi pa siya ubos. Pero pagdating ko sa counter, I can get their freebie pala if I buy a qualifying product. It happened na wala sa mga products ko. So she told me to pick na lang para makuha ko yung free item. So binili ko na lang tong Dove because it was one of the choices. And okay naman siya. It says straight and silky shampoo. Mabango naman. And you can never go wrong with Dove. You can never go wrong with Dove. Wow. So this is the free item that she got me. I mean, she gave me. Parang alam niya na mag-Watson's haul ako na summer theme. The freebie is a mesh bag for the beach. Kasi if basa, di ba? So let's open it na lang. Cute ng color. It's so green. So it's for the wet clothes, for sure. Ayan. Wow. Yay, look at that. Sana ito na lang ginamit ko, no? Like, I shouldn't have. Sana sinabi ko na ilagay na lang sa bag para no plastic na lang. Hindi ako nag-isip. Okay, so yun. And then, aside from that, nakakatuwa because I thought hindi ko na siya magagamit. I have a Watson's card kasi. And then, when I got my Watson's card, I had this little booklet of discounts and freebies. And then, it had this 100 pesos off. Not coupon. It's Watson's Reward. If you have a Watson's card, you're gonna have mga several ganito, mga 3 ata or 4. So, sabi niya, diba, na may freebie ako na bag. And then, tinanong ko, how about this? Can I still use this even if I have a freebie? Kasi this is 100 pesos off if you spend 1,000 pesos in Watson's. So, she also, honored it. Nagamit ko din siya. So, imbes na 1,000, ano ba yung binayad ko? Nagka 100 pesos off pa ako because I have this card. And then I have a few more of these. So, it's very sulit. And you guys can also avail of this card. It has partial rewards program of Watson's. It's very useful. Especially if, Watson's suki kayo. So, that's it for this video, guys. Sana na-enjoy yung Watson's haul ko. And if you have summer essentials that you want to recommend, just let me know in the comments below. I'll check it out. I'll let you know what I think about it. And some of these products I might review on a separate video. Let me know if you're interested or you want to know more about the products I bought. And please consider subscribing to my channel. Stalk me on my other social media accounts. And thank you very much for watching.